Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the power button board to the top cover. Lift the power button board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the power button board. Place the power button board into a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the power button board from the static-dissipative bag. Insert the power button board ribbon cable into the power button board ZIF connector on the power button board and place the power button board onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Press the locking bar down on the power button board ZIF connector to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the power button board to the top cover. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.